Hi everyone, this is Dr. Aishwarya. I'm a consultant pulmonologist at Dr. Institute and Medical Center. September 25th is considered as the World Lung Day, and this year we focus on the global burden of increasing lung diseases around the world. So the early diagnosis and prevention of lung diseases is the theme for this year. We also focus on bringing stronger policies on advocating lung health. Why early diagnosis is very important when it comes to lung health? The global burden of lung diseases over the last few years have been going increasingly up, especially after COVID. As you all must have seen the importance of lung as an organ during COVID. So lung as such produces oxygen to the entire body, so its functionality is very important for the functions of other organs also. So the global burden of lung diseases such as COPD and asthma have been growing up almost 5-fold compared to the last 5 years. The reason for this has been the change in pollution, the change in the environmental conditions, and also patients presenting very later stage to the doctors. This is probably because of not accessibility of healthcare or lack of awareness is what we feel. So to bridge this, we want to insist that an early diagnosis of lung diseases and insisting on patients to get medical help earlier on will prevent these lung diseases to a greater extent. And also, most importantly, especially in India, where we rank at highly polluted countries of the world, we almost stand about first or second, which is a shame. So it is on the responsibility of the public as well to improve this state of India, because already cities like Delhi are almost becoming unlivable for people. So to improve our lung health, we also, as a responsible citizen, we have to make sure that our pollution rates are coming down by lesser usage of vehicles, planting more trees, and also improving the lung health and taking care of our body by going for regular checkups, taking basic pulmonary function tests, visiting your doctor periodically, and not taking on-counter medications for lungs anymore. So if you have symptoms of cold and cough, and if it continues for about a day or two, please do not suppress it with medications. With newer strains of flus that's coming up every year, it is mandatory for everybody to take an annual flu vaccination. And also make sure that people in your house, even passive smoking can impact almost 20-30% of effects of smoking on your children. So definitely no to smoking, and also if people in your house are smoking, make sure that they know that passive smoking can also affect children and elderly people in the house. And if you have elderly people in the house, and if they have any immunosuppressive conditions, which is as simple as say diabetes or hypertension or any cardiac problems, please make sure that their lungs are also checked, and make sure that they receive a flu vaccination as well as a pneumococcal vaccination if needed as prescribed by the doctor. So when it comes to lungs, it's a very simple organ. All that you have to do is make sure that anything is early diagnosed and also prevented by taking vaccinations, and just take care of your environment. That's all it needs. Thank you.